sofa, every element complements the light luxury aesthetic. A coffee table with clean lines and premium finishes serves as both functional and decorative, while side tables provide subtle sophistication. Together, these pieces harmonize to enhance your living space without overwhelming it. The sofa is the heart of your living room, designed to embody elegance and relaxation. Crafted with luxurious fabrics and thoughtful details, it offers unmatched comfort and timeless beauty. Its sleek silhouette and refined textures make it a statement piece, perfect for unwinding after a long day or hosting memorable gatherings. Every piece in this light luxury setting is chosen to balance beauty and practicality, creating a room where you can relax, entertain, and feel inspired every day. It's more than a living room. It's a sanctuary of modern elegance. Transform your home with the effortless charm of light luxury living.